Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttrading-solutions.com on a Tuesday, 27th Feb. Yep, we got more chop. Again, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to try something different coming up with regards to social media, so keep an eye on that. Maybe some live real-time recording, some real-time interviews and stuff. We'll figure it out, but keep an eye on that. That's coming up pretty soon. Again, give me a thumbs up and so forth. Some live market action I think may help spruce up the channel. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get into the charts. Really not a lot to talk about today, that we haven't talked about. We got more of the same choppy kind of consolidation from last week's moves. So, we're in again, probably in a consolidation transition phase with a lot of these markets. Just the last couple of days, actually since Friday, market has just been, you can see, just very, very choppy. Thursday core PCE probably is going to be the next catalyst. And so we'll see if that actually creates a pullback, or that could be again another leg higher. We just don't know. Still have to respect the bullish patterns. Still have to respect that the market still wants to go up, and so we'll see what happens with that. NASDAQ similarly just been I wrote about it, this false breakout. There still hasn't been any confirmation. You can see it clearly in a range. This is also by the way mirrored by stocks like Nvidia. Nvidia actually is the tightest range I've seen in the last couple of days as well. So that means it's ready for a breakout, and you can see that's mirroring here in the NASDAQ. Maybe the NASDAQ's got another leg higher. We'll see. And then the Russell also heading up to some potential levels up around the 2100 level and so forth. Rates also, we've had a lot of issuance, but nothing new on the rates. We had rollover, and rates, I think the key level for rates still has to be this 434 level. This could upset the market. At this point, it's still not really impacting the bullish patterns, but I think if we have a super hot core PCE on Thursday, that could create some volatility here. Dollar, not a lot as well, just kind of meandering about. Nothing going on here with any of the metal related, silver, gold. It's just been a very tough road here for anybody trying to trade futures. Obviously, it's been challenged. Now, oil, again, attempting possibly a breakout. It's been numerous times. One of these days it will break out. Maybe it's coming up here soon. You never know until it happens. Nat gas similarly had a rollover. Now it's actually basing, maybe starting a process of bottoming out. And then the soybeans just rolled over. They're coming into some key levels. Also corn coming into some key levels. So all in all, again, more of the same, very choppy. There's a lot of stuff going on under the surface, with earnings still dominating some of these moves. Obviously Nvidia was the big one this last week. This week, we haven't really had any huge movers on the earnings front that have really been standouts. We had Zoom last night, but that just, can't even break out. But we do have some other stuff coming up. We have First Solar, some of these other stocks that are kind of moving. But I think after core PCE, we'll get a better idea as to if we're going to get another leg higher, or maybe that, remember the hot CPI number was what caused the first pullback, but again, was bought up right away. So still, until proven otherwise, even that could be a good buying opportunity for those that, but don't chase. I think you're going to get an opportunity to buy if you're patient. Okay. All right. So with that, I'm going to leave. I'm going to get out of here. Again, not a lot to really talk about just patience really going into the end of the month. We still have to deal with interest rates, inflation, all that. I think the market is just kind of trying to figure things out right now, but we'll get more sense after Thursday's morning, and we'll go from there. Okay. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll talk to you Friday.